Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to start recording in Audacity. So there are two options to do it. First option is based on special button. So we need to click on this one icon with a red dot. It will let you to start recording on your project. So I click on it, and after that your audio will be successfully recorded. If you would like to stop it, you need to click on this one icon. So I click on stop icon. And now you have successfully stopped the recording. And this second method is based on a shortcut from your keyboard. So you need to press R from your keyboard to start recording, and after that recording will be successfully started in. But remember that you can always stop it by clicking on this one button. And it is how it works. Now you can easily edit your recordings. Everything depends on your preferences. So that's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. And please don't forget to buy me coffee from link in description.